So this is how Bonnie adds a beaded picot edge with a lace bind-off on a shawl. You start with adding a single stitch. You knit, pull the stitch through, you put a little twist in it, and add it back to your needle. At this point, then I add the bead. This is a Flegel beader from the Gossamer Web. Add the bead, put it back on the needle. At this point is when you start your lace bind-off. This is a knit two together through the back loop. Take your needle from the right to the left, put it through the loops with your needle on the back side, do the knit stitch, pull it through, and put it back on a needle. You don't want to tug it too tight because you want to have a little bit of elasticity for your lace bind-off. Then I'll do it a second time. Knit two together through the back loop with the needle on the back side, knit it, pull the yarn through, put it back on the needle. A third time, knit two together through the back loop, pull it through, and that is a picot with a bead using a lace bind-off.